In this video, I will be showing you how to build AI agents with Grok 3 for free. Let's get started. First, I open up my web browser and click on the Google search bar. I type in Grok and press enter to bring up the search results. From there, I see the main Grok link at the top, so I go ahead and click on it to open up the platform. Once the Grok interface fully loads, I navigate to the prompt input field located near the center of the screen and click inside it. Now, I paste in my detailed prompt to begin building the agent, which reads, "Create a simple AI customer support agent for an online clothing store." The AI agent should greet customers politely, answer questions about orders, shipping, returns, and product availability, recommend products based on customer preferences, escalate complex issues to a human support agent, include the agent's role, responsibilities, capabilities, limitations, and 3 sample customer conversations. After making sure the entire prompt is typed out exactly how I want it, I click on the send button on the right to submit it. The system takes a few seconds to process, showing that it's working on drafting the AI customer support agent design. Very quickly, Grok starts generating the framework for the AI customer support agent, whom it names Luna. As the text populates, I can see it breaking down Luna's exact role as a primary support agent for an online clothing store called Trendywear, specializing in casual, trendy apparel. As I scroll down through the response, it details the agent's core responsibilities, including greeting customers warmly, answering common inquiries, offering personalized product recommendations, guiding users through basic troubleshooting, escalating complex issues, and maintaining a helpful tone. It also lists key capabilities such as handling greetings, order tracking, returns, product availability checks, recommendations, basic actions, and utilizing a knowledge base. Furthermore, it explicitly defines limitations, such as an inability to process payments, handle refunds directly, or access full financial data, and sets up a clear escalation trigger if a situation requires a human manager. To test and refine the agent further, I scroll down past the sample customer conversations and the final setup overview. This completely rounds out the agent's foundational knowledge base, creating a highly functional and ready-to-use blueprint for a customer support AI agent. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.